Dear customers, today Capstocks is celebrating 25 years of trust and togetherness. 25 years ago, Capstocks started with a handful of customers investing more than their money, their confidence with us. Today, that handful has grown into a vast population of satisfied customers. At this moment, all we can say to you is a big thank you. In the year 1989, Mr. Rajendran started a proprietary firm, Capital Stocks and Shares, as a sub-broker from a small room in his family business concern. The business prospered, and in 1990, the business was shifted to a more spacious office at Tagarapuram Road, Trivandrum. Mr. C.J. George, founder of Geojit Securities, inaugurated the office. In 1992, the first branch was started in Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu, which was headed by Mrs. Leela Jayakumar, who is presently the director of the company. In 1992, the same year, the firm became a member of Mangalore Stock Exchange. During those times, the capital markets were totally unregulated. The stock exchanges were still using the open outcry system, which was prone to manipulations, and the system was not at all transparent. The markets were artificially taken to high levels, and subsequently the Harshad Mehta scam broke out. That was one of the worst capital market crises in India, and there were widespread defaults by clients as well as brokers. Even at this crucial juncture, the company was able to survive the crisis and ensure that none of its clients were affected adversely. The Indian capital market scenario completely changed with the advent of the National Stock Exchange. NSE brought about complete transparency in the capital markets by introducing fully automated screen-based trading in 1995. In line with these developments and following its commitment to investors, the company introduced online trading to the people of Trivandrum in 1996 in its capacity as a sub-broker. This was the first NSE terminal in Trivandrum and the second in the state of Kerala after Kochi. The online terminal was inaugurated by Dr. R.H. Patil, the founder, chairman and managing director of NSE. When BSE started screen-based trading in 1997, Capstocks launched the first online BSE terminal in Trivandrum. In the same year, Capstocks started the first NSE online terminal in Nagarkoil. The proprietary firm was converted to a private limited company in 2001, and the company became a member of NSE in the year 2002. Subsequently, Capstocks acquired membership in all major stock, currency and commodity exchanges in India. It is also a depository participant with CDSL and a SEBI-registered portfolio manager. Capstocks has at present 185 outlets spread across South India and employs around 750 people directly and indirectly through its franchisee network. Personalized service and the trust of its clients are the foundation on which Capstocks has been built. The fact that a large number of clients who started off with Capstocks in its beginning years are still doing business with it even today bears testimony to the mutual trust and loyalty it has built with its clients over the years. Capstocks is led by a team of very experienced, loyal and talented senior and middle-level managers who also have been with the company from its inception. Capstocks' strong in-house equity analysis department predicted the bull run of 2003-2008 even before the market actually gathered any momentum in early 2003 through its monthly newsletter Capstocks Infoline. In early 2005, when the BSE Sensex was at 5,000, it also predicted that the index will hit 25,000 levels by the year 2010. In 2006, Capstocks became the first brokerage in India to be granted ISO 9001-2008 certification for all stockbroking and related financial service activities. The certificate was handed over at a function held in Trivandrum by Mr. Uwe Salesley, Director of Moody International Certification Group, Germany. The Capstocks Knowledge Center, which was started in February 2008, is a concept pioneered by Capstocks. The Knowledge Center was inaugurated by Sri R.K. Nair, Executive Director, SEBI. The Knowledge Center enables Capstocks to fulfill its social responsibility of empowering the investor and public by sharing and using the wealth of knowledge amassed from years of experience. The company has been conducting regular investor meets in several cities over the last 15 years. Regular investor meeting is being conducted in Trivandrum on every second Saturday of the month since the last 10 years. Capstocks attends to all customer grievances immediately. There are no pending complaints with the exchanges or SEBI. This is achieved through a strong focus on compliance. In the year 2009, Capstocks celebrated its 20th anniversary. Dr. K.M. Abraham, IAS, whole-time member, SEBI, was a chief guest for the day. While inaugurating the function, Dr. K.M. Abraham praised Capstocks for its strict adherence to procedures and norms. Here is what he had to say.
20 years in the life of an institution is not a small achievement. Let me share one interesting fact with you. Typically, before the chairman and the members go for a function, even though we do not ask for it, a routine background check is done about the organization. If I am to go to Capstock, invariably, even if we don't ask, our office would go and do a background search on Capstock and give a small booklet or a piece of paper to me. So what the procedure done normally is that they go to what is called the action taken database of SEBI. It's a huge database which consists of all the minor and major shortcomings of an organization. So let me tell you, friends, I got this report on Capstock and it was 0 omissions on the defects on the part of Capstock. It was a 100% scorecard. So I emphasize the fact that I am very proud to be here with an organization which is an unparalleled, unblemished record of 20 years. I'm very happy to be here.
Today, Capstocks is the second oldest existing stockbroking firm in Kerala. With over 40,000 clients, it retains a strong focus on client satisfaction, which tempers even the risk management activity with a human face. Capstocks is deeply grateful to you, our loyal customers, who have stood by us in this eventful journey, and the credit for its growth lies with you. We have considered it a privilege to have served you in the past and shall continue to consider it a great privilege to be able to serve you in the future. All we can say is a heartfelt thank you for your trust in us.